Welcome to English with Mark. Grammar with used to. Grammar through examples. How to use used to. We use used to in several situations, but how? We use used to when we talk about a habit in the past. I used to play rugby. I didn't use to play the piano. Did you use to play video games? It is simple, but you need to learn through examples. We use the used to tense to talk about something we did, but we don't now. I used to do lots of sports, but now I don't. We use the used to tense to talk about things we didn't do in the past, but now we do. I didn't used to learn English, but now I do. Now, let's look at some examples. Did you used to speak a foreign language? No, I didn't. Now, let me ask you another question. Did you used to go to school? Yes, I did. What did you used to do? I used to speak Spanish all the time. I didn't used to speak English. Be careful, we use the used to tense with these time expressions. In the past, when I was younger, as a child. Grammar through examples. Keep on learning. Enjoy your English.